Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Afterpay on Uber Eats. Now this is very easy and simple to do, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is be on the ClearPay website like I'm on here. When you're on the website here, you will first want to make sure you are logged in or make an account if you don't already. Once you've done that, you just want to go up to this search bar here and just type in Uber Eats and then click search. Once you click that, you will actually see Uber Eats UK gift cards here. And when we click on this, here's where we can actually buy it. So you can't use Afterpay directly on Uber Eats just yet. However, you can use Afterpay to buy gift cards, and then from there you can use those gift cards to claim your food on Uber Eats. So if you click on here, you can actually choose how much of the gift cards you want to buy. So the minimum is £15 and the maximum you can do is £150. So you want to choose whichever amount you want. And then you can read a bit about how this works down here. So as you can see, it says gift Uber Eats to the people you care about or add value to your own Uber Eats account. The Uber Eats app is an easy and reliable way to get the food you want delivered fast and fresh. And if we scroll down a bit more, it tells us exactly how it works. So you first need to choose the amount and who you want to send your gift card to before completing the purchase. When you've made the purchase, you will receive an order confirmation email from ClearPay. And then a second email with your e-gift card will be sent to your email address from Prezi, the gift card supplier. So as it says, you just want to choose either for yourself or for a friend. You then input either your email or your friend's email, and then you can simply pay with Afterpay, and you will have successfully got your Uber Eats gift card, which you can then use to get food on Uber Eats. So that is exactly how you can use Afterpay on Uber Eats. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.